Hello from Diytaj Tires. I've got a Mercedes B-Class here on a 2006 plate. Just going to show you the oil filter location on this. Again, once again, we've got the really awkward one right here. It's right on the top of the engine on the side there, as you can see. That's the oil filter. To take the filter out without causing any damages or making the whole place all oily and messy, all you got to do is undo this Jubilee clip right here. You need a flat screwdriver, one of these, and then for the bottom bit you've got a clip right there as well, which if you've got a plier like this, you can use and then push the clip in and then pull the pipe out. That should then give you a lot of room to take the filter out from without causing any damages or making the place all messy. But yeah, once again, we've got a Mercedes here with a really bad design for the oil filter. They could have just made it really simple and easy right at the bottom by the sun pan, but nope, they did not. But yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.